This is a quiet Saturday morning. Soft sunlight enters the bedroom. Emma is sleeping peacefully under a light blanket. The alarm clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning.
It's Saturday. I can wake up slowly today. It feels nice to stretch my arms. My feet touch the floor. The day begins. I open the curtains to let the light in.
Warm sunlight fills the room.
I walk to the kitchen. I feel relaxed.
Emma puts the kettle on the stove. Steam rises slowly from a cup of tea.
I enjoy a simple breakfast at my table. After breakfast, I wash the dishes.
Water flows over the clean plates.
I wipe the kitchen counter carefully. I sweep the floor slowly.
Small dust moves gently across the floor.
I water the plants near the window. I move the chair and place it neatly. I fold the blanket on the sofa. I open the windows for fresh air.
The light curtain moves in the breeze. The living room looks clean and calm.
My home feels nice and peaceful. I walk outside on a quiet street.
Houses pass by as Emma walks. The supermarket doors open.
I push the shopping cart slowly. I put bread into the cart.
Colorful fruits and vegetables fill the shelves.
I choose fresh vegetables carefully. I add milk and rice to the cart.
Here is your total.
Thank you. I carry the shopping bags home. I meet my friends in the afternoon.
They sit at an outdoor cafe in warm sunlight.
We enjoy coffee together.
How was your week?
It was busy, but good.
A quiet park path appears ahead.
We walk slowly in the park.
Leaves move gently in the wind.
I sit on a bench and relax. I watch people walk by.
The park feels peaceful and calm.
In the evening, I cook dinner.
Pasta boils in a pot.
I stir the soup slowly.
The table is ready for dinner.
I eat calmly and enjoy my food. I wash the dishes again.
A sofa with pillows looks warm and cozy.
I watch TV and relax.
Sunday morning begins with soft sunlight.
I sit by the window. I open my book. My tea is warm beside me. I turn the page slowly. I smile while reading. I listen to music and feel calm.
The room is quiet and peaceful.
I walk to my parents' home.
A warm lunch is on the table.
How was your week?
It was good.
They laugh and share stories.
I hug my parents. In the afternoon, I fold my clothes.
The clothes are neat and clean.
I check my work bag. I write a short list for Monday.
The bedroom light turns off. Emma sleeps peacefully. The weekend ends.